Hi guys! Today we're going to make some anti-stressors. So we have balloons here. We have colored balloons and these see-through ones that have these things inside. But sometimes we won't need them. So we have this thing, and we're going to put it like this, and then we're going to squish it and you will see what will happen. So guys, now we want to put some flour inside our balloon, and to make it easier to put the flour into the balloon, we can get these bottles and we just cut half of them off, and then we can open the balloon from this side and then like put it on the lid very tightly, and then we can put the flour in here, and then you can see this hole here, and then it will go there. So this is what will happen. We'll put, wait, let me do it for my brother. It has to go very tight, otherwise the flour will go there. There's a hole, you can't see. There is. So let's start putting the flour in. Guys, I don't want these things to be in there because I think they will make our anti-stress worse. Like, it won't go so soft. It doesn't make any. So guys, you know the things that were inside this balloon, these decorations? I didn't want them because they're going to make my balloon go worse. They're going to make my anti-stress go worse. So I'm going to put some flour in here, and my brother's going to put some shaving foam in his anti-stress. So we're going to see which one's going to be better. So I have this big spoon here. So I think we needed to put more now. Oh, there's no more space to put it. Guys, I have this pen, a new one, so I'm going to just put all the flour in because it doesn't go by itself. Quite soft. It looks like an anti-stress already, but it's not finished yet. So guys, now we're going to take this balloon off and we're going to tie this balloon. So we can tie it with this rope. Can you hold it? We're going to tie it here. So guys, we've tied this very hard. And this is like an anti-stress. Yeah, that is really. So this is only balloon and flour. And you can actually see the flour. This is all flour, the white thing.
I'm going to do that. Shaving foam.
We're going to do the shaving foam we're going to put our shaving foam into a black balloon to make it an anti-stress. Always feels like slime. So guys, that was a bad idea. We just made the pen dirty. So we're just going to add some water into this. That will be an anti-stress too. So we need to clean this. So guys, we have a bottle of water here and we're going to pour it in. Wait, what? It's already in there. water dance. Look, a fountain here. So guys, this is what is with our anti-stress.
This is the funny one.
Looks like
Yeah.
it's like a sausage. So we put in more water inside that one, and we got a sausage for some reason. Look at how small that one is, and look at how big that one is. This one is so cool.
Look at this. So funny.
So guys, we have this pack like where there were normally oranges, and then we put this balloon, his anti-stress, inside this pack, and then we'll see if there's going to be any small balloons, because that's what normally happens with some anti-stresses. Looks like a brain. Looks like brain. So ready, steady. Whoa!
Hello everyone. I'm Mr. Big Balloon.
You can see bubbles here. And then let's do these ones.
No. Give me it. I know how to do it.
There's only one. You know this giant hole? There's only one coming out. Nearly. So guys, today both of our anti-stressors worked. This one was flour inside, and this one was water inside. This one kind of worked because but if you do it like this, it works, and it's actually so nice to feel. Ginormous one.